Hi, I'm Rob, head of social media here at LA Photo Party, and I'm here to prepare you. For what? Well, that all depends. Maybe you're staging a heist. Maybe you're just looking to capture an awesome event. It doesn't matter, because whether you're talking Ocean's 11 or your badass photo booth company, the difference between success and failure all comes down to picking your team. Step 1, you gotta know your company's core values. That might be violating your parole no matter what the cost. Or it might be fearless innovation. Step 2, make sure you're hiring people who embody those values. If your core value is stealing from the biggest casino in Vegas, you might need code breakers, acrobats, and con artists. Or you might be looking for engaging, outgoing people to create the perfect atmosphere for every event. Step 3, look to see those core values in the interview. Whether you're meeting at a top secret location or in your private air-conditioned office, one tip to make sure you absolutely have the right people, have them sing in their interviews. It's a surefire way to know if they're an energetic team player. And with that, you've got people who got your back, no matter what the situation. Whether it's splitting the take from the vault you just cracked, or delivering quality service at your next party. Cheers to a great event. Did I come in with a jacket?